Thanks for stopping by. My name is Jerrel. I am the developer of the Silver Falls titles. Welcome to Sungrand. Now, what I would like to share with you today is the skill system from our upcoming title, Silver Falls White Inside Its Umbra, exclusive to the Nintendo Wii U. Now, the story mode uses the controller, the gamepad, and a Nintendo Wiimote in a different way from the post-game mode. The post-game mode is actually available from the very beginning. You don't need to finish the story mode to unlock Frontier Hunters. Frontier Hunters is a light gun arcade-style shooter with a lot of RPG elements. You'll be collecting weapons and customizing skills on your various playable characters. Let's go over those skills now. Now this is the hub area for Frontier Fighters. You will see that you can access your party members and your equipment, and you can see two cursors on the screen just now. Each cursor, a player will have their own colored cursor, so you can identify which player you are. Here you can select different weapons and choose the slot. You'll be able to equip 3 different weapons to take with you in missions. Now when you open the skill wheel setting, each character has their own layout for skills. Here you can see different skills that all contribute in some way. For example, you can increase the critical rate or the amount of ammo that you pick up when you pick up items. This is a fun one that allows you to boost the power of your next shot, and this one reduces the damage you take while your weapon is reloading. Now, what's interesting about all of these skills is that all of their effects are stackable. So if you get duplicate skills, you can increase the effect of those skills as well. And here's a fun one. If you hit an enemy's projectile, you will be powered up. And here's an example of having a duplicate skill on your skill wheel. That means that character will take substantially less damage whenever they are reloading and get hit. This is a fun move that allows partner characters to also perform special melee attacks whenever you perform one first. And you have the ability to boost the effect of your healing items as well. So all of these skills are not active yet. In order to activate these skills on the skill wheel, you need to lay down a skill spoke. Now the spoke needs to touch the skill node in order to activate. You can see they've illuminated here. So they are now active. If you were to lay down a skill spoke, but it doesn't touch any of the skill nodes, no skills will be activated. So we'll put that back in the inventory now. I have a skill down there that's available. Let's see, Twinsies attacks are 25% stronger when using the same weapon type as an ally. So you can coordinate with other players and just say, hey, let's both use shotguns or let's both use rifles right now, and you will get a power up from that. So if I lay down this basic skill spoke, I can activate that skill. So that's just a quick rundown, and uh, I hope people have a lot of fun with that. We put a lot of effort into making a fun system. Here you can see the upgrade menu. I don't have any money at the moment, no tokens, so I won't be able to upgrade this weapon. Now, by completing missions, you will be able to earn more weapons and more skill spokes. And you can see that the more different shapes you have with your skill spokes, the more weapons you will, or the more skills you'll be able to activate and equip on your character. So that's about it for our quick rundown today. I hope you enjoyed having a look at that skill system, and I hope that you all enjoy the Frontier Hunters mode for hours and hours, spending time with friends and family. And next time, I will show some gameplay from one of the missions where you will shoot and fight off enemies in a light gun arcade style shooter. Thanks very much for stopping by. I've been Jerrel Dulay, and we will see you soon in Silver Falls.